Surprise eggs! Guys, look what we have over here.
We have Kinder Toy surprise eggs.
I wonder what's inside here.
Hey guys, it also said that right over here there's a chocolate inside too.
Exactly. Chocolate and biscuit. See?
My favorite.
So let's open it. Let's see what we get.
Because today's Easter, we
Come on,
get
let's open it.
Easter. Can't wait.
So we open it
Wait.
like this.
Where am I gonna open it from?
Here.
Where?
Wow. I hope I don't break the
I don't know.
chocolate.
I don't know where I'm supposed to open it from. I know it's from here, but is
Open,
it
this is softer. Let me see.
Here?
Open.
chocolate area?
Here is the chocolate.
Come on, you can do this.
Okay, the chocolate is
Oh.
over here.
All right, guys, this is hard to open. We have to try it with all our muscles.
If I have
Okay.
the cute
Wait.
surprise eggs,
Wait,
not easy.
Ow, it's hard. It's hard and it's painful.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm breaking my arm.
Okay.
Which way is chocolate? Okay, this is not it. This is the way.
It's so much harder than I
So
ever
hard.
thought.
Ow. It's
Don't
so-
worry, guys.
This might take a while.
Don't worry, guys. We can do it together. Guys, this is
Since when did Kinder Surprise egg turn this hard to open?
I know.
yeah.
Which one is it?
I mean, guys, this is actually fun. I mean, it's a mystery. It's a mystery. What's inside this egg?
Exactly.
All we know is that there's chocolate and biscuits. And
Half of them, one side has biscuit, the other has chocolate. And that's what I'm guessing. Then one of them, I think the chocolate side has the toys. I don't expect the biscuit. Okay, it's almost there.
Okay, almost here.
Can you open for me?
Try to open it now.
I'll
thought it would
try
open
my best.
Really hard to open.
Come on. Oh, I think you're doing it. You're doing it.
Ow!
You okay?
Oh my goodness! I feel like it's everything that is inside this.
Normally.
Hey, I think we should use knife and open this.
What? What do you want to use?
Okay.
Hey, can you help me too?
Yeah, allow me to first enjoy my chocolate. Let's see it. I've opened it. Okay, so I told you.
Oh wait.
This one has biscuits.
has two parts.
Yes, it's two.
Yes.
I told you it's two.
Wait.
Can we see it very well?
Hey.
Okay,
so I'm
here guys, so
really
it has 2 packs here.
Can you help me open
Wait,
one?
wait. So here,
Oh,
so he
I'm
has
almost-
2 packs.
Almost did it.
I think this one has chocolate. Yeah, this one has
I got
biscuits.
it.
Okay, he opened it.
Ooh,
Let's try opening Michael's room.
Okay, so
Michael's room.
I think it might
chocolate.
be easy for you
Hey,
guys.
this
Okay,
is
good.
chocolate.
Michael's one was really easy to open. Let's open.
Okay, this one has chocolate.
Okay, here it has chocolate and biscuits. Meaning the other one has only toy. Here
Wait,
it is.
I think I know this toy. Oh, look what I got.
Oh yeah, we already have this toy. Cool.
yeah.
Yellow version.
What did Michael get?
Let me try. Let me see my toy first.
Don't tell me you can't open your toy.
Okay, I can open his toy
Yeah,
if
don't
you
open.
like.
Let's see what he got.
I also got a
Oh,
yellow
the same.
motorcycle.
You got the same with me.
Oh,
Cool.
guys, we all got motorcycles! Yay! Yay, dude! Yay! Let's skate around the town! Woohoo! Woohoo! And also, guys, can I also show you something? Look, can you see here? Now it can move the legs like this.
Oh yeah, you're right. It can shift. Cool.
If you can you just see this black part? The black part makes it to move here. Wow!
now we
this
have
is
real
like
chocolate.
this. Now can we eat
Look at
that
the chocolate, guys.
Now let's see
Oh,
what's
look
in.
at the shape of the chocolate. Cool.
It seems I know this thing. I
Guys.
think.
I'll take a bite.
What's in this chocolate? Oh, guys. Wow! Wait, what are these things here? Let me try.
This is like your biscuits that you
Oh,
used to
wait,
like.
I know these things.
So good.
Let me try. How am I gonna bring the chocolate out? Squish pie.
Okay, I'll try and take a bite.
Wait, I'm so close. Grabbed. Hey guys, look here. The chocolate really looks like an egg shape.
I've already
Oh
eaten
my goodness,
chocolate.
this is so good.
Hey
Oh,
guys,
this is so
wait.
good.
There's something here. There's something here. Can't you see?
Hmm?
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
This is the best. The best chocolate ever. Oh.
My last one bite. Our yellow, orange, and yellow bite.
Yellow and orange. Look carefully at the colors. Look. Get it?
But I know one thing is things for sure. These chocolates are delicious.
I know another thing that is for sure. These motorcycles are amazing.